Hello, apologies for the background noise. I'm in the conservatory and it is raining quite hard now. A week or so ago I made this electronic unit with all these relays on it to switch a single battery charger between multiple batteries so that I can charge lots of them up at once. And I've actually finished making it and it's currently charging 6 sets of batteries. That's the charger itself. And the Arduino unit is just there flashing away. It's actually got to a stage where all of them are charged up and it's just waiting for about an hour before giving them another little top up. That's just one of the parameters that I set for it. So what it does is it's actually flashing now and again. Every so often you notice it flashing and it's just testing a battery voltage and it's giving it in kind of dots to tell you what the voltage of the battery that it's selected is. The way it works is it looks at the battery voltages before charging them and then starts off, if any of them are really low, like less than about 11 volts, it starts with the lowest voltage and charges it up for an hour, and then it goes around and looks to see if any others need charging from really low. Once they're all at a decent sort of charge, it just cycles round between them, giving them a maximum of about 8 hours each. And then once they're charged, it goes around between them. And if they all get charged, then it kind of delays before topping them up again. And I've currently set it at about an hour, but I could set it for longer than that. Anyway, I've decided I made to make one little change to it, because I'm going to make another one of them as well. I'm going to make one little modification to this for safety, because if I was to accidentally switch one of the batteries the wrong way around, well, it wouldn't be horrendously disastrous, because there is a diode in series with the power to the Arduino, which is actually this diode here and this one, and there's one here as well, from each battery. So it wouldn't damage the Arduino, but if I connected this battery the wrong way around, then the power would flow backwards through this transistor and it would actually break down the transistor, because it would actually reverse bias the one of the junctions, I think. I don't know, it might not damage it, but it's probably best not to worry too much about it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually put a diode in here, which will then protect this transistor from being kind of connected in reverse. I could have put it up here, but I actually want to be able to measure the actual voltage, so I need to have that connected directly to the battery. So I'm going to add this to the circuit as I've built it, and the next circuit is going to have that built in. The way I'm going to add it, probably the easiest, let's see if I can slide it. You probably can't see very well, but I'm going to take off I'm going to cut through the collector lead from the transistor and solder it to the diode, which I'm going to then poke down through one of the holes and solder in place. So I'll be able to just sort of add it as a modification. So anyway, that's the modification that I'm going to do for the next version.